What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you all. The market is looking phenomenal. The overall cryptocurrency market is rebounding very nicely after one of the roughest and most steep sell-offs we have seen probably all year in 2021. So everything is in double-digit greens. Look at Bitcoin up 13.7%, Ethereum up 11.28%, Dogecoin up 35%, one that was hit still very hard. And if you could look at the 7-day, there's still a lot of room for improvement. But SHIBA INU up almost 17% on the day. Loving the price action that we're seeing. If we look at the 1-day chart quick, just phenomenal recovery. And I'm hoping that this just continues and continues with all the positive catalysts that are coming up. You guys already know this channel is not for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So, anytime I say anything, I can't ever tell anybody whether to buy or sell. But when I pounce and others pounce, it seems like things go well for us. So overall, we're up again about 17% if we bought yesterday at that 56 or 550, 560 Satoshi unit mark. Regardless, this is only the beginning because so many positive catalysts for SHIBA INU are on the way. Trade volume has been insane, and you guys can see the 24-hour volume, $657 million. That's basically, again, the amount of volume exchanging hands between traders. So people are getting excited, and if you're someone that's day trading this, so be it. But for the diamond handers, I'm hoping that we're going to hopefully see all these new implemented catalysts, including SHIBASWAP. We know we got the green light and we're ready to go. And then some major listing news. So yesterday, shout out to Milkshake, by the way, or Shiba Inu Art on Twitter, tweeted out this from eTORO. So eTORO, the team over there, said that yesterday they added, this was again the day before yesterday now, on Monday, they added 3 new crypto assets. But in parentheses, they wrote, "We see you Shiba community," or Shiba Inu community, because after the 3 crypto assets were listed, people were saying, oh, why is Shiba Inu not listed? And you guys know the SHIB army is deep. We have more than 500,000 holders right now, and all of us are very active on social media. So people then went to eToro's Twitter, went to all the different platforms and said, hey, how about Shiba Inu? We would love to see Shiba Inu on Toro. So guess what? Today, we bring a sizzling hot new feature. So they're going to add some features to the eToro platform, but regardless, looking like they're getting ready to launch and list Shiba Inu on their exchange. That is going to be a huge catalyst, in my opinion, for Shiba Inu. Because anytime we see additional listing, that's always going to positively impact the price action. We know that that's just a 100% fact, and things follow because accessibility is one of the most important things. And eToro, if you don't know what eToro is, real quick here, if I pull it up, there's 265,000 followers just on the Twitter, but this is one of the biggest exchanges global in the global scale. It's used here in the United States, all of North America, I should say, Canada, South America, Europe, even in some Asian countries. Regardless, eToro is worldwide. So increasing access, because some people don't use Coinbase or don't use Binance, but they do use eToro. Increasing accessibility always is going to be something positive that will impact eToro in a positive manner. Now, real quick here, Webull. You guys know I got to plug it every single video because I'm loving how many people are signing up, but there's still so many more of you that have yet to sign up with the link below and take advantage of this opportunity. 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 into your Webull brokerage account. $2,300 could literally be yours when you make an initial investment or deposit, of $100. You don't have to buy anything, just depositing money into your account, and you can always withdraw it if you end up not liking Webull, but I know the majority of you will really like it. And Shiba Inu might be on the way soon on Webull as a brokerage. So again, 1 in 50 of you will get Google stock, Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, Kraft Heinz, or Snapchat. So take advantage. 1 in 50 of you will get a $2,000 stock. That's the probability. $2,000 stock, which is Google. So please take advantage of getting your 2 free stocks. And also with BlockFi, take this as well. Up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. So you can see the deposit amount and the payout amount in Bitcoin. So again, with Bitcoin pulling back, if you pounced on the last couple days and deposited, you probably already made a significant gain from your initial investment, because wonderfully the overall market pulled back up. Bitcoin dropped to 28,000, now it's at 34, up 50% in the last 24 hours. So again, guys, all the upcoming catalysts I think are going to impact the price action overall very positively. The 1 hour chart is looking wonderful. I'm hoping we break through that 700 Satoshi unit mark resistance, which we're approaching that right now. So if we can break that, a technical breakout, if you will, hopefully we'll see 800 and, go from there. So really looking forward to breaking out all the resistance points. For support lines, support wise, it's hard to tell. Right now, if we look at the 1 day price, we can see there was a decent level of support right around here, 6,100 Satoshi, or 610 Satoshi units, 610. So double, it touched there twice as the market, or as Shiba Inu decided to pull back. But the fact is, it did find some level of support to bounce off of. So you guys can see that in those two marks, 0.1 and 0.2. How about here as well? Is that 6,100? Is that 63? So that's a little higher. 62, 61. So actually 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. 61, 61, 61. 610, 610, 610. So you could say confidently that if it ever decides to pull back down, which it probably won't, the overall market's doing phenomenally and everything is looking like it's moving in the positive direction. I think that, in my opinion, if you're someone who has not pounced, because I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, and you're still looking for an entry point, keep paying attention. Because if this thing starts to run, it might be hard for it to pull back down with all the positive catalysts. eTORO listing, Coinbase Pro, relisting, Coinbase then also listing. Oh my goodness, so much. Robinhood listing, SHIBASWAP official release. They're getting ready to launch. At any given moment, they can do it. And remember, the developers told us they will not give us a warning. They have to drop it just in case of bots and other things that might overwhelm their system, which they want to give us as the traders, as the investors of Shiba Inu, the most competitive advantage. And doing so, but the only way for them to do so is by what? Yes, you heard it right. It is only possible if they do not give us an official announcement. And look at this, guys. Beautiful. Just hit 700 Satoshi units, and I'm loving what we're seeing. Quickly look at the 1 hour chart again. Come on. We need to break out. So I'm just going to be patient. About to head off to work because, again, I can't be on, unfortunately, throughout the day, or I would literally be looking at the screen the whole time, the 1 hour chart, probably the 30-minute chart. I'll just be staring at it just like this. So again, I really do appreciate all your guys' love and support. Again, big news from eTORO, dropping these bombshells left and right, giving us big surprises. Hopefully a listing soon, and then we'll see how the price action is going to be affected. In my opinion, I want to see by the end of the week 800, 900 Satoshi units. If we could see that, and then some positive news to finish off the week, like relisting on Coinbase or listing on eTORO, oh man, we're going to take this thing to the promised land. So thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I really do appreciate your love and support. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the journey, tweet at me. You guys know the Twitter has been going crazy lately, up to over 2,000 followers. So I really do appreciate everybody who has followed and is tweeting, and then I'm trying to do my best to reply and respond ASAP. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Take advantage of your 2 free stocks with Webull. Get your free Bitcoin with BlockFi. And until next time, then, keep investing.